Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can change your theme in MS Word. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to press the window R. So we have to press the window R, and after pressing the window R, we have to write the WinWord here. So I'm going to write the WinWord. And after that, as you can see, the WinWord is open. Now the MS Word is open. So what we have to do, so as you can see, the WinWord is open and all the details are here. For example, if you want to use the template, so you have to click on the template. Or if you want to use the recent files, you have the recent files here. And here's the new, if you want to create a new one. Or if you want to open the old file, you can also do that. And as you can see, here's the option for the account. So you have to click on the account. After clicking on the account, as you can see, you will see some details that what is the version of your MS Office, which version you are using. For example, I'm using the 2021. After that, you will see your account details here. And if you want to manage your settings, so you have to click on the manage setting and other options will be open. You can manage your setting from here. So I'm going to cut this one. And after that, as you can see, office background, if you want to change your office background, you can also do that. For example, if you want to choose the calligraphy, you can also do that. Here's like a circuit, you can also do that. So I'm going to select the no background. It's up to you. You have a lot of backgrounds you can select. And for example, I'm going to select the no background. And after that, you have the theme. If you want to change your theme, like the dark gray, you have to click on this. And as you can see, the dark gray is applied. If you want to black, you can also click on the black. If you want to white, you can also click on the white. And colorful, if you want to cut the colorful, this one is a colorful. For example, I want the black one. So I'm going to click on the black one. Now it's done. And now click on the home and now click on the blank document. As you can see, now it's fully blank. So in this way, you can change your MS Word theme. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.